Algorand value equivalent to $0.1985 a coin. The present exchange cost range 1951 to 2012. The earlier day closed 1982. The change was plus hour 3, plus 15%. Opposite rate. As to Algo. Algorand estimate for July 2024. First and foremost cost at $23. Exorbitant cost $29, while low cost $23. The found the middle value of cost $26. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's ends $27. Change for July 4%. Algorand cost expectation for August 2024. To start with cost at $27. Exorbitant costs $27, while low costs $21. The found the middle value of cost $25. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $23. Change for August 8%. Algorand gauge for September 2024. To start with cost at $23. Exorbitant costs $29, while low costs $23. The found the middle value of cost $26. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's ends $27. Change for September 4%. Algorand conjecture for November 2024. At the outset cost at $31. Excessive costs $35, while low costs are $31. The arrived at the midpoint of costs and $33. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's ends and $33. Change for November 5%. Algorand cost expectation for December 2024. First and foremost cost at zone $33. Exorbitant costs and $40, while low costs $33. The found the middle value of costs $36. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's ends at $37. Change for December 1%. Algorand estimate for January 2025. First and foremost cost at $37. Exorbitant costs on $41, while low costs $35. The found the middle value of costs $38. Algorand cost figure toward the month's ends at $38. Change for January 7%. Algorand figure for walk 2025. Before all else cost it's on $39. Exorbitant costs on $44, while low costs $38. The found the middle value of costs on $41. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end and $41. Change for spring 1%. Algorand gauge for May 2025. To start with cost at $43. Exorbitant costs on $48, while low costs are $42. The found the middle value of costs at $45. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's ends or $45. Change for May 7%. Dollar to Algorand figure for September 2024. To start with cost at 4348 coins. Exorbitant cost 4348, while low 3448. The found the middle value of cost 362. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 3704. Change for September 8%. As to Algo expectation for October 2024. To start with cost at 3704 coins. Exorbitant cost 3704, while low 3030. The found the middle value of cost 3416. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 3226. Change for October 9%. Dollar to Algorand conjecture for November 2024. At the outset cost at 3226 coins. Excessive cost 3226, while low 2857. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 385. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 3030. Change for November 1%. US to Algo expectation for December 2024. Before all else cost at 3030 coins. Excessive cost 3030, while low 2500. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2816. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 2703. Change for December 8%. Dollar to Algorand figure for January 2025. In the first place cost at 2703 coins. Exorbitant cost 2857, while low 2439. The found the middle value of cost 2658. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 2632. Change for January 6%. US to Algo expectation for February 2025. In the first place cost at 2632 coins. Excessive cost 2778, while low 2381. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2589. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 2564. Change for February 6%. Dollar to Algorand figure for walk 2025. Initially cost at 2564 coins. Excessive cost 2632, while low 2273. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 24877. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 2439. Change for spring 49%. US to Algo expectation for April 2025. To start with cost at 2439 coins. Exorbitant cost 2500, while low 2174. The found the middle value of cost 23860. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 2326. Change for April 46%. Dollar to Algorand estimate for May 2025. Initially cost at 2326 coins. Excessive cost 2381, while low 283. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2253. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 2222. Change for May 45%. US to Algo expectation for June 2025. Before all else cost at 2222 coins. Excessive cost 2326, while low 2041. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2191. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 2174. Change for June 22%. Dollar to Algorand figure for July 2025. To start with cost at 2174 coins. Exorbitant cost 2273, while low 2000. The found the middle value of cost 2144. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 2128. Change for July 21%. US to Algo expectation for August 2025. To start with cost at 2128 coins. Exorbitant cost 2128, while low 1695. The found the middle value of cost 19842. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 11818. Change for August 6%. Dollar to Algorand conjecture for September 2025. At the outset cost at 11818 coins. Excessive cost 2326, while low 11818. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 234. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 2174. Change for September 6%.